Hi everyone, it's Kay with Japan National Tourism Organization. In this video series, I'd like to share some useful tips for traveling to Japan and some of my best travel practices. I hope you find the tips useful and they can help you make your experience in Japan an even better one. Traveling to a foreign country has its own set of challenges, but if you find yourself coming down with a cold or unexpectedly injured during your travels, it can be that much more stressful to locate help and resources when you're dealing with an unfamiliar destination and language. Luckily, when traveling to Japan, there are plenty of resources to assist you with what to do in case you need medical attention. While we always recommend purchasing travel insurance to account for any unexpected medical expenses, you can also find a wealth of helpful resources on our dedicated website for Safe Travels in Japan, Guide for When You're Feeling Ill. This website includes information such as medical institution search, how to use medical institutions, where to purchase travel insurance, and a list of medical departments that are equipped to handle your specific symptoms. The medical institution search can be narrowed down by area, preferred language, services needed, and even preferred payment type, so you can be sure that you will find the nearest medical service that is equipped to treat your specific ailment in your specific language. Even if you don't need to see a doctor and just want to visit a pharmacy to purchase some over-the-counter treatment for, let's say, a cold or a headache, it can be so confusing to find what you're looking for. Thankfully, we also offer an over-the-counter medicine search where you can search by symptom or what part of your body is affected, and you can see a list of available medicines to treat that ailment. This way, you can easily show what you need to a shop attendant, and the website also offers English translations of all the dosages, ingredients, safety warnings, and even how much the medicine will cost in stores, so you can find and take the medicine with confidence and start to feel better sooner. Our handy guide on how to use medical institutions also offers assistance with how to handle emergency medical situations, including helpful forms to fill out for use at hospitals and when communicating your needs with doctors and nurses, and also includes a point and translate sheet, which you can use to point what part of your body is experiencing symptoms. Another important thing to consider when traveling is if you need to bring any prescription medications with you as you travel. When entering Japan with certain prescription medications or medical devices, a special form called a Yunyu Kakunin Sho is required to be filled out prior to departure and presented to the customs agent when you arrive in the country. You can find a list of prescriptions and medical devices that require this form, as well as a list of restricted medications on the website of the Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare, which we have linked below. JNTO also offers a 24-hour visitor hotline, which you can use in case of emergency, whether it be an accident, illness, natural disaster, or other type of issue, and our helpful staff can direct you in either English, Chinese, or Korean. If you need to call directly for emergency services, it's important to know that the number for these services in Japan is 119. They will then do their best to connect you with an English-speaking operator. Just do your best to speak slowly and describe your location and the situation as best you can. We want you to have the safest experience possible when you travel to Japan, so just keep these details in mind, and you can even download and print out our handy guide to take with you as you travel. If you're not sure what to do, call the hotline and we'll be happy to help. Safe travels, everyone, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful Japan travel tips.